What up, what up? It's a good day to get your hands dirty, your knuckles bloody, and your ass sweaty. And I want to say thank you to those who subscribed. We hit over 100 subscribers, so thank you very much. And if you like this video, like it, subscribe it. You don't like it, dislike it, subscribe it. So let's see the goodies we got today. Got some door lock actuators and some speakers. I figured, since I'm lazy, I'm gonna have the door panel off, putting the actuators in. Might as well upgrade the speakers too. So, first things first, let's get the door panel off. So now that I've got that door panel off, I've got this sound barrier deadening shit pulled back a little bit. You can see, I don't think this is going to be as hard as I anticipated. Here's the rod. So I need to place the actuator release right here somewhere. So got this big empty space. I don't think it'll be that hard. So let me try to figure that out. Got the actuator in, the holes drilled, and now it's time to install the push rod. Guess this is, see this action. Alright, that's what it looks like from the inside of the door panel. So we have to go behind this wire that's connected to the handle, and then for the actuator, and then where that eyelet is, it'll go up to that rod up there to unlock and lock the door. So I guess before I install this push rod, goddamn, probably not gonna be able to video record it since I've only got two hands. So I just shorten the push rod about 3 inches. Unlock, lock. So the push rod attaches to the other locking mechanism rod, whatever. Slide this on top of it. Guess we can get some close in action on it. I don't know. Maybe right there. Okay. Slide that motherfucker on. And that groove and these two holes crimps it together. So when you unlock it, it pushes the whole mechanism up and down. That's how it's supposed to work. So let me get this shit installed and let's try it out. So now that I have the push rod attached, got it crimped on, I had to strip back this little, don't really want to, I guess it's insulation, maybe for vibrations or some shit. Strip it back a little bit, attach it, get a good crimp on it, and it should work. So now start the wiring process up. To help me with this wiring, pop this panel off to the screw. Well, there's supposed to be a screw, mine didn't have one. One of these little interior little clips, not a clip, little push pin, aggravating motherfuckers, one of them. So pop that off. And then there's another little cover right here. Just bend that over just enough so you have access to this to the boot. And then also to help me out, I'm going to go ahead and take that speaker off. Looks like the previous owner already had an aftermarket speaker in there, but that ain't worth the fuck. And I'm a little OCD, so I gotta have matching speakers with the head unit. So let's take this speaker off, if I can find my bit. Can you see that? Yeah, these assholes, they just twist the wires right around it. God damn it, motherfuckers. So now I got the speaker out, I got all this extra space to work with. Alright, I got one of these cheap ass coat hangers. I like to throw a little piece of I like to throw a little piece of electrical tape on the end of it so you don't score the insulation of any of the wires, cause any shorts, more fucking aggravations. Try to slide this in here. Take this piece of electrical tape off. I'm going to grab the wires that I need. I'm gonna stagger these. So I'm gonna stagger these a little bit. Throw some tape on it. Help you a little bit too. Alright. So now that I got the actuator wired up, green to green, blue to blue, the passenger side is almost wrapped up. So I'm gonna strip this back a little bit. And I'm going to attempt to solder the new connection zone. So we shall see how that goes. Alright, got it soldered up. Might need some more practice on that one. There's always another day. So I'll get these connected up. Scoot it back in there. Oh, that's a pretty strong magnet. Line up the hose. Alright, got that speaker in, got the door lock actuator in, got it wired up. Now I'm gonna jump on the driver's side. Really no need to film that shit, it's the same thing. And after that, we'll go ahead and mount that little computer and wire it in. And I got the actuators wired up. Driver's side was quite aggravating. Not as much space, and took me a lot longer to figure out where I wanted to actually place that little computer at, but it is wrong button. It's working. So I need to finish cleaning up this bird's nest of wires. I ended up mounting the computer right here behind this little plug. It's the only really spot that I could figure out, or the best place that I could put it. I couldn't find a constant hot, so I've got an auxiliary wire for one of the switches I've got, wired that in, spliced it in, run the ground, and as you can hear, it's working. So let me button this shit up, then install the new speaker, which I found a surprise in the driver's side door. Deep down the side was this nice little gift. Thank you, assholes. So let me wrap this shit up, and we should just about be done. And that, I suppose, is the finished product. Doesn't look terrible. No excessive wires hanging out anywhere besides that one factory plug. Yeah, I'm kind of not mad at that. So, underneath, right there, ended up, had some extra inner duct from a previous project. Kind of just ran it across, hide up the wires, keep them from dangling. That's it. Yeah, I'm not mad at that at all. Got the driver door speaker in. Oh, get out of the way, finger. So, well, that's that. One last time. Sounds good. I like it. So, I see you when I see you.